नमस्कार. जय श्रीकृष्ण. श्रीकृष्ण चैतन्य प्रभु नित्यानंद श्री अद्वैत गदाधर श्रीवासदि गौर भक्त वृंदा. Rejuvenating text 30 and text 31 of chapter 1, the activities of Maharaj Priyavrat of 5th canto, the creative impetus of Srimad Bhagavatam. Text 30. यावदव भासयति सुरगिरी मनु परिक्रामन भगवानादित्यो वसुधातल मरधे नैव प्रतपत्यर धेना वच्छादयति तदा हि भगव दुपासनो पचिताति पुरुष प्रभाव स्तदन भिनंदन समजवेन रथेन ज्योतिर्मयेन रजनीमपि दिनं करिष्यामीति सप्तकृत्व स्तरणिं नुपर्यक्रामद द्वितीय इव पतंगः. While so excellently ruling the universe, King Priyavrat once became dissatisfied with the circumambulation of the most powerful sun god. Encircling Sumeru hill on his chariot, the sun god illuminates all the surrounding planetary systems. However, when the sun is on the northern side of the hill, the south receives less light, and when the sun is in the south, the north receives less. King Priyavrat disliked this situation and therefore decided to make daylight in the part of the universe where there was night. He followed the orbit of the sun god on his brilliant chariot and thus fulfilled his desire. He could perform such wonderful activities because of the power he had achieved by worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead. There is a Bengali saying which describes that someone is so powerful that he can make the night day and the day night. That saying is current because of the prowess of Priyavrat. His activities demonstrate how powerful he became by worshipping the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Lord Krishna is known as Yogeshwara, the master of all mystic powers. In Bhagavad Gita 18.78, it is said, wherever there is the master of all mystic powers, yatra Yogeshwara Krishna, victory, fortune and all other opulences are present. Devotional service is so powerful. When devotee achieves what he wants to accomplish, it is not by his own mystic power, but by the grace of the master of mystic power, Lord Krishna. By his grace, a devotee can accomplish wonderful things unimaginable even by the most powerful scientist. From the description in this verse, it appears that the sun moves. According to modern astronomers, the sun is fixed in one place, surrounded by the solar system. But here we find that the sun is not stationary. It is rotating in a prescribed orbit. This fact is confirmed by Brahma Samhita 5.52. Yasyadnyaya Brahmati Sambhruta Kalachakraha. The sun is rotating in its fixed orbit in accordance with the order of the Supreme Personality of Godhead. According to Jyotirved, the science of astronomy in the Vedic literature, the sun moves for 6 months on the northern side of the Sumeru hill and for 6 months on the southern side. We have practical experience on this planet Earth. When there is summer in the north, there is winter in the south and vice versa. Modern materialistic scientists sometimes present themselves as knowing all the ingredients of the sun, yet they are unable to offer a second sun like Maharaj Priyavrat. Although Maharaj Priyavrat devised a very powerful chariot as brilliant as the sun, he had no desire to compete with the sun god, for a Vaishnava never wants to supersede with another Vaishnava. His purpose was to give abundant benefits in material existence. Sri Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur remarks that in the months of April and May, the rays of Maharaj Priyavrat's brilliant sun were as pleasing as the rays of the moon, and in October and November, both morning and evening, that sun provided more warmth than the sunshine. In short, Maharaj Priyavrat was extremely powerful, and his actions extended his power in all directions. Text 31. Yeva uha tadratha charana नेमी कृतपरी खातास्ते सप्त संधव आसनयत एव कृताः सप्त भुवो द्वीपाः. When Priyavrat drove his chariot behind the sun, the rims of his chariot wheels created impressions and later became 7 oceans, dividing the planetary systems known as Bhumandala into 7 islands. Sometimes the planets in outer space are called islands. We have experience of various types of islands in the ocean, and similarly the various planets divided into 14 lokas are islands in the ocean of space. As Priyavrat drove his chariot behind the sun, he created 7 different types of oceans and planetary systems, which altogether are known as Bhumandala or Bhulok. In Gayatri Mantra, we chant Om Bhur Bhuvasvah Tastaviturvarenyam. Above the Bhuvalok planetary system is Bhuvarlok, and above that is Svargalok, the highest planetary system. All the planetary systems are controlled by Savita, the sun god. By chanting the Gayatri Mantra, just after rising early in the morning, one worships the sun god. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare.